As a young girl, my grandmother encouraged me to be a nurse. She was a citrus worker, and certain things that would happen when you work in citrus work, you get thorns in your fingers or things like that, and I would be the one to pick the thorns out of her fingers. And one day she said, "Baby, you've got healing hands." And I knew from then that I wanted to take care of people, and that's what I've been doing all of my life. Hi, my name is Cheri Turner. I got my bachelor's in nursing at AdventHealth University online. First job was Lakeland Regional Medical Center, and most of my nursing career at the bedside had to do with cardiology. Then my next job was here at AdventHealth Orlando, and I've been there ever since. Currently, I'm the educator at the Command Center at AdventHealth Orlando and for the Central Florida Division, and I would not be able to wear that title, if you will, without having my BSN. We're busy professionals, we're busy in our personal life. I'm a full-time caregiver for my parents, as well as having a full-time position at AdventHealth Orlando. And so to have the online courses be an option for me was key. You can be at home in your pajamas and still have that same online class. You can sign up for courses around your schedule. It's very flexible and they're very accessible by text, by email. I was mainly on my cell phone. I always had access to my courses. I can watch and attend the class on my phone. Wherever I was able to travel along with my classes. And they just made it work with your whole life. Because of AdventHealth University Online, I excel in the profession of nursing and my professional growth, and I excel in my own personal journey, my own personal life. I would definitely recommend AdventHealth University Online, whether you worked at AdventHealth or whether you lived in Orlando or Florida, wherever, it's still that accessible and that beneficial to your outcome, to your education. The online RN BSN program at AHU was key to my professional growth.